Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in this very important update here on price action of Bitcoin. As we can see guys, the next FOMC meeting in is about 12-hour 51 minutes from the time of recording, and this FOMC meeting could be different than the normal one because we might see the first rate cut in about 4 years. Yes, you heard that correctly guys. The target rate probabilities for today 2024 Fed meeting looks very interesting. I mean, 65% are expecting 50 BPS, whereas 35% are expecting around 25 BPS. So what is it going to be, 50 BPS or 25 BPS? But regardless of whatever happens, a rate cut could boost the market. Yes, you heard that correctly guys. If you look at the dominant chart, it's already breaking out from this key line of resistance which was rejecting us. But now if this continues, you can see the dominance of Bitcoin could get even more stronger, and this horizontal trend line here to the upside around 70% could be attracting us. That means holding Bitcoin, right? If this here is an actual breakout, holding Bitcoin for the upcoming days, even for the upcoming month, could be very profitable. But if you simply look at the price action, you can see guys, Bitcoin is fighting to remain above this 50 weighted moving average, because if we manage to find proper support over this 50 weighted moving average, you know this bearish continuation pattern will get invalidated. I mean, we were expecting price of Bitcoin to show another continuation like this, failing to regain its trend over 50 weighted. But if we find support over this 50 weighted moving average, we are expecting this upper trend line which sits around 66,000 to be looked as our next potential target, because we know this 66,000 is not just only the price target from this descending broadening wedge. But if we simply look at this price action using our leading indicator, you can see guys, this 66,000 is the first target for the month of September. I mean, if you look at it carefully, you can see guys, this R1 line could be attracting us, and this R1 line also sits around 66,000. So Bitcoin could be slowly getting attracted around this 66,000 as long as we remain above this CPI line which sits in between 58,000, because we know beside the target from this descending broadening wedge, beside the target from this monthly R1 line, the leading indicator around 66,000, the price of Bitcoin in a monthly time frame has also managed to come across this previous resistance line, because we know in the past price action this horizontal trend line acted as a strong line of resistance. Now if we look at it carefully, you can see we have somehow managed to come across this trend line, which is a very good sign, because if this here is going to boost the market temporarily, I mean Fed cutting the rate could boost the market temporarily, we are expecting this bullish continuation to continue, and price could be heading towards the upper trend line. Yes guys, this upper trend line from falling wedge could be another area where we could be getting attracted here in a monthly time frame. But please do not forget guys, remaining above 58,000 means unthinkable could be happening here as well. I mean, price after testing the resistance from this descending broadening wedge, just like from this example on the right hand side, we could be breaking out. So as long as this 58,000 remains, we are going to look this as a bullish continuation pattern, because parallelly we have also managed to break out from this key trend line. So if we close the candle, the daily candle, properly above this trend line, the upcoming days for Bitcoin is expected to be bullish, because according to this symmetrical triangle, you can see first price already 70,000, 69,000. So that's why this trend line will be looked as our upcoming target, as long as the price remains above this CPI trend line and remains above this Williams alligator indicator. Because I showed you this on my previous video, in the past price action during uptrend, this Williams alligator indicator has been tested again and again, but it was not a bearish reversal, but just a retest before breaking here to the upside. Each and every pullback around this Williams alligator indicator resulted in a very bullish move. So that was the reason why I also included this Williams alligator indicator, to show you this pullback could be temporary. Only if we break below 58,000, right, below this CPI trend line, then we know it is an actual reversal like this towards this monthly S1 line. But remaining above this CPI trend line means the R1 line will be attracting us. And now parallelly we also have the support from this Williams alligator indicator, which is about to flash a bullish crossover. If we look to the downside, even more interesting scenarios being flashed. I mean, RSI has already jumped above 50, MACD already forming a bullish cross, and T3 CCI indicator in a positive territory. So you know what this means, right? In the past price action, whenever we have seen confirmation from this RSI, Williams Alligator indicator, RSI, MACD, and T3 CCI indicator, after that we have also seen a bullish cross in Williams Alligator indicator, which has resulted in a very bullish move. I mean, here MACD started forming a bullish cross. At the same time, T3 CCI indicator started appearing in a positive territory, and RSI also started to jump over 50, which resulted in a very bullish move. Same thing has repeated again and again before breaking out. You can see here as well, before breaking out, RSI started jumping over 50, MACD formed a perfect bullish cross, and T3 CCI started appearing in a positive territory, resulting in a bullish cross in Williams Alligator indicator, which led to a new impulsive move. So same thing could be happening here. So remaining above this Williams Alligator indicator, remaining above the CPI indicator means the upcoming days for Bitcoin is expected to be bullish. And parallelly, we are also following this descending channel or falling channel, because according to this descending channel, the price of Bitcoin has managed to come across this middle line. So if we can simply find proper support above this middle line or the center line, it will be looked as a continuation, a bullish continuation pattern around this upper trend line from this descending channel, which sits around 66,000. So you can see, guys, 66,000 looks like could be retested once we find proper support above this center line. So 66,000 is the price target for now for this descending channel, falling channel, bull flag, price target from this leading indicator, price target from this symmetrical triangle. So for now, 66,000 to 70,000, in between that range is where we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to get attracted. So all eyes are definitely going to be around this next FOMC meeting, because this could be the first rate cut in about 4 years, and this could definitely boost the market. So these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please, guys, do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed this free 500 USD position airdrop from Bybit, along with that another 200 USD position airdrop from Bybit, then please feel free to check the video description, because these events are temporary. If you are an experienced trader, if you want to trade with free money, the time to act is now. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.